One for the money, two for the show.
What you gonna do tomorrow? You gonna watch Grandma?
I'm gonna stay here because all you guys are leaving me.
How do you feel now this is the black president? Are you happy?
I want him to make food into candy. Okay?
Food?
So yeah, sweet. So
You want Barack to make food out of candy?
yes, I do. I had to pay for that stuff at the candy.
She obviously doesn't know the significance of this important moment. She doesn't know. But, okay, Amaya, what are you doing? Alright, Pop Rock candy, you like that Pop Rock?
Let's go get it. Let me go get it.
Yeah, she definitely just left me up here by myself. But yeah, tomorrow we're gonna go out to see my man Barack Obama. How do you feel now that there's a black president?
Chicken noodle soup.
Yeah, she obviously doesn't know what the significance is either. These kids these days, man, I swear, I just don't understand. Like, look at them. Look at the two of them. They don't understand. They do not understand. Now she done got a Pop Rock candy. Go ahead, show them how it's done.
I'm gonna show you guys how it's done.
What's the first step?
The first step is to put some in your hand.
Okay. Does it hurt when it gets to your hand? Does it hurt?
No, it really doesn't.
Oh, I heard it hurts.
No, it doesn't. People just say that.
Oh.
Okay, here we go.
How much do you put in? Is it a lot?
How much you want to put in?
How much you can handle? Can you handle a whole lot?
Yeah.
Oh, embarrassed.
Okay, here I get.
Okay. Oh. Let me try. They said it doesn't hurt. Oh! Why am I so loud? You're gonna pop in your tongue. You like Hannah Montana?
Yep.
Do you like the flower on my head?
Do you like bass?
Do you like
Let's ask that.
Do you? Cause you smell like Luke in
I
my
don't put it in my hand.
Luke.
I like.
So,
Here, hold this.
I'm not holding your gun. You gonna put it on the computer. You got a joke? How do you fit an elephant into...
You take the F out of. You take the F out of fun. You take the F out of way. There is no F in way.
There isn't no F in way. She got it. Because how you spell way? It's W-A-Y. There is no F in way. It's really not.
Well, what does that have to do with fitting an elephant in the refrigerator?
I don't even know.
There's
That
no
is a good
way.
question.
You get it? There's no way. So,
I don't know what that had to do with it. Anyway, you got another joke?
Oh yeah,
Knock, knock.
I got another joke.
Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
Okay, knock knock.
Who's there?
Will you remember me tomorrow?
No. Oh, yes?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
You don't remember me.
That was a good one. See, I never heard that one before. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana. Who?
Knock, knock.
No,
Banana.
no.
Banana.
Let me do it.
Knock, knock.
aren't you glad we didn't say banana? Aren't you glad I didn't say banana?
All right, go ahead. You got another one?
Okay.
All right.
I'm sick.
Let me Okay. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Pilot.
Pilot who?
Pilot poop.
Pilot poo.
You get it?
Pilot poo.
Pilot.
I'm saying it right?
Yeah, pilot.
Pilot poo.
But you're supposed to be pilot.
Oh, yeah.
You got it?
Just
like you gave me a hard one.
Oh, I didn't. Yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't get
Sofa
that.
King.
Chop and screw.
The Sofa King.
I'm almost
Screw,
Sofa King.
chop and screwed.
I can't hear her. What?
I am almost Sofa King.
I am almost.
I'm leaving. Bye.
Whatever it is.
Go ahead, sing a song. It's showtime. At
Happy
the Apollo. Tonight.
You got your girl. Can you take us to
Look at this chick right here. You have a talent? It's showtime at the Apollo.
I do. I could say.
Alright, go ahead. Next. Making my way downtown.
I have a talent.
Walking fast. Faces passing, I'm homebound.
And I need you. And now I
Wonder if I can
I'm a dance.
into the
I have a talent. I
sky.
can dance. I do the
You
T-Pax.
know would pass me by, oh, 'cause you know I walk 1,000 miles if I
Hold
could
it.
just see
Hold
you.
it.
I'm holding it in my mouth. Tonight.
No,
'Cause I need you.
can you take us to the
'Cause I miss
Can
you.
you take us to the boulevard?
Alright, now it's been a whole 7 minutes of wasting my life. These chicks wanted me to take it to the boulevard, but I'm not. I don't know why they keep begging me. I'm not gonna take them. I don't need your treats.
We don't need your treats.
Yup, we don't need your
You
treats.
heard it the first time. You heard it the first time.
Heard me the first time. We don't need your treats.
Trick, I'll trick you.
Now it's going on 8 minutes wasting my life. So I'ma just look at this chick. So yeah, I'm about to leave. See, it's going 8 minutes. I'll holler at y'all later. Right?
Hold up. One more time, baby. Let me know if you're good to go. I say, hold up. I say, One more time, baby. Let me know if you're good to go. I said, hold up.
Wait a minute.